Today, we're diving into the Infinix Hot 50. Announced in September 2024 and expected to hit the shelves later this month, this phone is turning heads with its impressive feature set. Let's break down everything you need to know about the Infinix Hot 50. First up, let's talk about the design of the Infinix Hot 50. It measures 165.7 by 77.1 by 7.8 millimeters and weighs 188 grams. The dimensions give it a nice, balanced feel in your hand, and the weight isn't too heavy. The build includes a glass front with a plastic frame and back. While it's not the most premium material, it's sturdy and helps keep the cost down. The phone also has an IP54 rating, which means it's resistant to dust and splashes. This is great if you're prone to dropping your phone or using it in less than ideal conditions. The display is one of the highlights of the Infinix Hot 50. It sports a 6.7-inch IPS LCD screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. This higher refresh rate makes everything from scrolling to gaming smoother and more responsive. The screen brightness can reach up to 720 by 1600 pixels, providing a clear and sharp view with decent resolution. With a 20:9 aspect ratio and an 84.8% screen-to-body ratio, you get a lot of screen real estate without making the phone feel too bulky. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing social media, the display is designed to enhance your viewing experience. Under the hood, the Infinix Hot 50 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset. This chip, built on a 6nm process, should deliver smooth performance for everyday tasks and moderate gaming. The octa-core CPU, which includes 2 high-performance Cortex-A76 cores and 6 power-efficient Cortex-A55 cores, helps balance speed and battery life. You have options for storage and RAM, 128GB of internal storage with either 4GB or 8GB of RAM. The phone also supports microSD-XC for expandable storage, which uses the same slot as one of the SIM cards. This means you can increase your storage if you need more space. The camera setup on the Infinix Hot 50 is quite capable. On the back, you get a dual camera system with a 48MP wide lens and a 2MP depth sensor. The main camera captures sharp and detailed photos, and the depth sensor helps with portrait shots by blurring the background. The camera system includes dual LED flash and supports video recording. For selfies, there's an 8MP front camera with LED flash, which should be great for selfies and video calls, even in low light conditions. Battery life is another strong point for the Infinix Hot 50. It features a 5000 mAh battery that should comfortably last through a full day of heavy use. When it's time to recharge, you've got 18W wired charging. While it's not the fastest charging speed out there, it's still decent for a phone in this price range. The phone also supports reverse wired charging, allowing you to use it as a power bank for other devices. The Infinix Hot 50 covers all the essential features you'd expect from a modern smartphone. It supports 5G connectivity, which is great for future-proofing your device. For wireless connectivity, you have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and GPS. There's no NFC or radio, but you do get a 3.5mm headphone jack for wired audio. The phone also includes stereo speakers for better audio quality when watching videos or playing games. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor is quick and responsive, and other sensors like the accelerometer, proximity sensor, and compass add to the phone's functionality. So, is the Infinix Hot 50 worth considering? If you're looking for a phone that offers a large display, strong performance, and good battery life at an affordable price of around €110, it's definitely worth a look. Let me know what you think about the Infinix Hot 50 in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.